What's good, family? What's good, family? I just wanted to get on here to uh, speak about, some things that I've been doing lately. I know most of y'all who have been keeping up with me on my TikTok, which is the platform where I'm usually on. I'm taking this month off, September, off of social media. I already deleted Facebook, Instagram. I've been deleted that before. I deleted my TikTok, but I still get on there every now and then to scroll. But um, I've been like just totally disregarding social media, and I want to, finish doing what I got set up. And that's another reason why I'm coming on here to speak about the things that I'm doing and the things that you guys should be getting into and learning yourself. Due diligence is key. Doing your own research is key. I've been doing this for, I started my journey in April. So with the Path to Freedom, for those who are on the same path as me, I started in April of this year, 2022. And it seemed like I always had this feeling inside of me, the Most High and, my higher self have always been speaking to me since 2019 when I started my spiritual journey, finding out about the Social Security and all that, how it's linked to the Federal Reserve bank account and it's linked to our trust account that they have under our name. So I even said in the song once, if y'all know that I'm also an artist as well. My bad if y'all hear my dog breathing. I said in the song, I didn't put it out, but I wrote this in the song. I said that our Social Security is basically connected to our soul every time you give it to somebody. And I said that before even I started my journey in April. So, that's how I know that my higher self, the Most High, the universe, our creator have, always been with me since my spiritual journey in 2019. So I just want to, let me get to what I want to share with y'all. Basically, I want to speak on trust, getting your trust account set up, and status correction. So what I've learned and what I comprehend from status correction is we have to show our status as a national in their system. They got all these people on here, all these gurus that tell y'all, that try to sell y'all things. A simple status correction is going through the passport way, because you have to show that you are a national instead of a citizen, and doing that is through the passport, which is simple. I haven't done it yet. That's something I will be doing because I don't have the funds at the moment. So once I get the funds, that's definitely something I will be doing. Also, if you guys want to join my Telegram group, it's going to be linked in my link tree down below in the description. I'm sharing information there as well. And Telegram is just a great app to be on for this type of information if you're on a path to freedom. So join Telegram. Join my Telegram. I invite y'all to some groups I'm in as well while I'm learning this. Come on, girl. Pretty mama. But yeah, Telegram is definitely an app you guys should get. If you're from my TikTok, then I know most of y'all already are in my Telegram group. Watch out, girl, don't fall. And that's the basic simple status correction that you need, because you're going to get your passport and your passport book anytime you get pulled over by policy enforcers. All you gotta do is show them your passport. Is gonna show you not on a do not stop, do not detain. This is what I'm learning. You guys could do your own due diligence and research as well on this. That's what I've learned. And a lot of people have shown proof that it really shows the do not stop, do not detain list. And that's a very simple status correction, just through the passport. You could put your county on notice, also copyright your name. Everything I'm saying is look it up, do your research, do your diligence on it, and you guys gonna understand and understand this information as well. Look, our little puppy, our girl had a puppy, so that's it with status correction. Is that simple. Your passport, there's a certain way you got to fill it out. So join my Telegram group if you're interested in that, and if you have the funds now, you should get on that ASAP with the way things are moving. Your birth certificate authenticated, that's also a status correction, but that's not showing that you are a national in their system. You got to do it in their system. So the passport is going to show that you change your status in their system from citizen to national. The way you fill out the passport, the DS11 form. That's what it's really known as, the DS11 form. And speaking about trust, right now I am creating I am building my foreign grantors trust, which is with the 9-8 number. The irrevocable trust, I have that already, and your living trust. You can create however many trusts you want. It all depends on what you're trying to do in your life and how you're trying to set up your life on this path to freedom. And having a trust is definitely gonna have you're gonna have more freedom with trust. And damn, fly is so bad, bro. You definitely have to create a trust, like the way you want to live, and just to have true freedom from the system that we've been birthed into. Come on, girl, don't fall. You don't end up falling. So there's a revocable living trust, what I am creating, the irrevocable trust, domestic trust, and the foreign grantors trust. That's what I'm going to be starting off with until I get more deep into, there's a lot of people saying that you can build your LLC, put it into your trust, or your trust can own your LLC, or your LLC can own your trust. So there's a lot that comes with trust that we need to be studying for real if you're on this path to freedom. This awakening is the energy is very high. A lot of people are waking up and starting to see the corruptness that's been going on in our system and society by the government who's been running this stuff. And most of it is not their fault. It's our fault for not reading, because it's out there in the open for us to read. So we can't put the 100% blame on them. It's 75%. They mostly got the blame because they doing that down bad to us. And it's also these corporations, like dealerships, banks, all that. If you read and get into it, you understand that these people are deeply corrupt and they're doing us dirty. So I'm grateful that the Most High and the universe led me on this path to understand and understand what's been going on to us. And I'm going to be sharing as much information as I can to y'all. Like I said, I'm on a break right now. I guess you could call it a fast from social media. I think I'm going to keep Instagram and Facebook deleted, but TikTok, since most of y'all come from TikTok, that's where I spread most of my information, and that's where we connect with a lot of people that's in our society. I mean, in our on our paths on this journey. TikTok, even though their terms and conditions is very public, which everything is public. Us just using the phone. Any other app besides any private apps, like messaging apps, but like any social media is all public. So TikTok is just a platform for us to link up and meet our spiritual family on this path. Come on, Lola, you all up on the phone, girl. So that's basically what I wanted to talk about. I know this video is not too long. Everything I said, just go search it up. Look up what is a trust account. There's a revocable living trust, irrevocable trust, foreign grantors trust. Lola, what, girl? I can't pet you right now. Hold on, man. I'm doing the video. And just do y'all due diligence, do y'all research, man. That's all I really want to say and wanted to bring to y'all, because I'm on a social media fast at the moment, getting everything that I need to get done, and you guys need to get everything you need to get done on this path to freedom. Get done. I don't know if y'all seen them yet. Yeah, we got dogs everywhere. So that's what I wanted to say to y'all, man. I just pray y'all stay safe, stay blessed, and y'all get y'all work done, get what y'all need to get done, and let's continue on this path to freedom and freeing ourselves from the system. And love all, man. I appreciate y'all stopping in. If you've seen this video, if you're new, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That was just a very fast video of a breakdown of what I'm doing and what you guys need to do as well. Do y'all due diligence, study, research, and let's keep growing, man. Love all. 4 out.